So now after that, here the nose. Can I continue move? Okay, so this is the nose, the nose line. So make the nose over here. This is random sketch. Okay, first we are doing some sketching. This is random sketching. Okay. So now I can extend the line. Mama, yeah, extend the line. See over here also, extend the line. Okay, and now after that, here we are creating. See here, I creating this is a nose line. We are creating this, the lip, upper lip, lower lip. Actually, upper lip is not visible much. It's upper lip. This is the lower lip. This, yeah, and extend this part. In down part, extend like this. Okay. This is a character design. Wait, then we call wait. Okay, going to fast. This, yeah, good. So here these guys are we are just like this. His eyes is closed. Yeah, this is simple like this one. His eyes is closed. Okay. So we are focused on just a little bit of sketching of, some caricature sketching. Make the ear. So sketching part we are, we can take any part of. Last week's I took some sketching part of tree. You remember? I know Dhanvi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do this some tree. Yes, and today I just take this up and down, up and down. Yeah, I hope that I move my camera a little up. It's okay. Fine. Perfect. Oh my मेरी तू फिकर न कर, क्यों आँख में दरिया बहती है, तू कहती. Yes बेटा. Yeah, sure, for sure. Just a minute. One minute. Yeah, lips again, right? Lips is very simple. I just share you. What do you do? So now we are creating for here the. Okay, this is this. You know, we can use this. Then we very ma finish it. Yes. So cute, beta. Do this. Yeah, you can use it. Yeah. Now this is the cap. Okay, small cap on top. we can make some setting of the very light setting. Putting rough sketching, we are making some setting to habituate the practice of light and set. There is a light. This part is a light. Here is a little light. So we will make the setting a little bit. So it looks awesome. If you are give you the setting, it looks great. Okay, the setting. Like this. Oh, you look like the artist.